Bob's just gonna film stuff. Please call me later. Oh, and hug our little human for me. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Let's get the keyboard out of the way. I've got my breakfast bowl still on the table. I'm such a slob. Oh, let's put that down there. Right, this is going to be epic, and I might have oversold it, but for me at least, this is going to be epic. I am super excited to be doing this video. Right, we've got an overexposure alert. Well, go on, Blebwin. You know what? Let's just go auto. No, ain't it? Right, what else can I do? We can take that down. Right, there we go. We've got a bit less exposure issues. Right, maybe if I take the white paper away. I know I'm going to skip through this one quite quickly, although this is quite an important part. There we go. This is a big one, guys, really. If any of the family bought one of the CR18P Pro Evos, because I did, what have they given us? Am I being... Why have we got that bit? That's weird. I don't even know what that bit's for. But basically this part, guys, this is gonna fix all that bloody torque twist on a CR18P, and I'm telling you, it's undrivable for me anyway. I just can't stand it. Drives me right up the wall. So you can buy this in aluminium from a few companies for about 45 quid, or you can buy a whole axle that is infinitely more expensive, or you can get this from Asia Tees. Not sponsored, I don't get any money from them. There's no affiliate job going on, and okay, it doesn't say how much on there, but this took about 5-6 days to arrive, and it was about 5 quid, maybe 7 quid with postage. So what's that in dollars? About $10 or $11. So if you've got a CR18P Pro Evo brushless, that is a stupid mouthful. You've got everything you need built into the truck apart from this piece. Why didn't they include it? I guess it's because they wanted to sell us all the expensive stuff, right? This is about 7 quid, $11, $10 or $11 from Asia Tees. So, and it is a Hobby Plus part. So Hobby Plus, do this. If you're looking for it, it's part number 240418, and it's called the CR18P rear portal axle version 2. So that's that one out of the way, guys. And now the bit I am infinitely more excited, and as you can see, I haven't even opened this to look at it yet, and that took a lot. It just took a lot from me to not do that. I've been sitting there looking at it, and well, it's one of the reasons for this video actually, because I'm not ready to build this yet, guys. I haven't got any money for axles. I've got shocks, I've got motors I can use, but I haven't got the rest of the money for the build. So this may be a little bit while before it comes, before it goes full circle, or before it comes to fruition. I think is what we can say. Revolt have done a fantastic job of packaging this. When it turned up in the box, it was well packed, and this has been separated in the bubble wrap so that it didn't scuff itself up. Let's just make sure that's everything. So there are the chassis rails. Are they different in any way, shape or form? No. Would it matter which way out they go? No, not by the look of it. So let me just lay that down. Let's put it in the light. I'm assuming this keyed part will go here. Are there any other places for it? Possibly. Alright, well, we'll need to have a look at that to see exactly what goes on there, but that isn't it. So, as far as I know, Revolt will be doing it. Oh, some really nice stickers there. Revolt will be doing it for you with options to have all the 3D printed stuff included with your order, including the bearing carrier for the transfer case. It's not a transfer case, is it? What's this called, guys? Tell me down below. Link right? No, it's not a link riser. It's prop shaft riser. Okay, honestly, I've had no sleep for about a week now. My brain is not working. Well, that's got a nice angle to it, so I'm assuming I'm doing a lot of assumption here, guys, but yeah, no, I'm not even gonna try and mock this up just yet. So which way would that be? So that would be for an opposite chassis one. Oh, sorry guys, it's the first time I'm looking at this. Wow, that has got a good kick to it. I'll find out what the angle is and I'll put it into the video, guys, but these look really nice. I don't know what they're printed out of, but that's gonna slide. It's gonna slide really nicely. What's this part? All these bits. That could be for links by the look of it, maybe. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. So this is the Revolt LCG chassis. It is going to be available. I'm just looking at the message now. Oh, there's links specifically for the Revolt chassis on the Revolt YouTube channel. And any other information, guys, I'm actually just going to put on the screen. I really like the branding. I do know Erwin, just so everybody, you know, is aware. There will be a slight conflict of interest. I paid for the stuff, but I did get like mates rates, if you like, and I really like the branding. I've got a plan for the build, guys. If you know me, my last build was a Spider-Man inspired build. Oh, that's called a something hanger, isn't it? I can't think the bloody name of it. Yeah, so this is just got to be, guys, isn't it? I'm going to do a Flash inspired build. I think we're Big Bang fans, and I really enjoyed the Flash series. So I'm just popping those up out the way. So I'm going to do a Flash build with that. And the other thing that arrived today is a set of these beautiful 3D printed inserts from Revolt, also from Revolt RC, and I will link to that in the description. These really nice and soft. So this set, I've got two sets. This set is what I ordered for the XHX pins. They feel really nice, and a lot of the second stages are really firm, but these it feels very progressive instead of stagey. I really like that, so let's pop that to one side. And this, I guess I should mention it, shouldn't I? That there's two different stages included. So this is a soft and this is a medium, so this will be a rear and this will be a front, but the look of them and the feel of them, now I know Mr. C refers to it as bench feel, can be very deceiving, but it does feel very good. That just feels so progressive, guys. Like the firmness comes in really slowly. So which one is that? Yeah, this one is a sort of soft. Are they both soft? I think those two are soft. Yeah, no, those two are mediums. Right, there we go. So yeah, this is a medium and this is a soft. Oh yeah, that's definite. You can really feel the difference. So I've got these for my deep woods. I'm just about to order another set. I'm actually going to get a set of Louise Champs because I quite like the writing on the sidewall of the Louise Champs. Whenever I see people, I'm like, oh god, what did I get? Fast track Roccos. Why didn't I get the Louise Champs? I really like the lettering on the side. Love it or hate it, I quite like it. Oh, these feel lovely. So look out for videos coming up on these wheels very soon, and stay tuned if you're interested in the Revolt build. That will be coming up, guys, but it will be a while before I can get to it, unless anybody wants to send me a set of Capra axles, which I'm going to be linking. I'm going to link down in the description of this video down there what I'm intending to use for the build. So if anybody wants to send me a set of those axles, that'll get us moving a little bit quicker. Right, with this setup, I didn't pay for these, but Erwin has included extra first stages so that I can tune these. So these are a soft, so that if I wanted to run soft, I am. No. These are super soft. These are a soft. Which one? Soft. Softest. Soft. Medium. So there's a super soft, a soft, and a medium. Oh, that gives me infinite tuning possibilities. And Erwin puts a light dishing on the bottom of these, so the Revolt inserts tend not to move around on the first stage. Like you can get it to move, but once it's fitted, I'm trying to push it off. It just doesn't, and a lot of inserts do just slide about, guys. These are really nice. Anyway, information for everything there in the description box. And these actually came a few weeks ago. I forgot to talk about these, but I'm going to do that a little bit more in depth on these in another video. These are just little servo power supplies, Ubex, no Bex. Yeah, these are Bex. Very, very simple to see how to use them, and we'll give these a whirl in a video coming up. Actually, I might do a Beck system in the Revolt build. That's it for this one, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't seen it, I've just done a video like a crawler canyon meetup video that talks about mental health and everything. If you're looking for something to do for 25 minutes, it's a good video. I really enjoyed making it, and I feel like there's some important stuff in there for everybody. So go check that out if you will. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to give that a smash, because you know, bloody computers running the world and all that stuff. Remember guys, no matter the question, love is always the answer. Bye for now.